up, you guys? Good morning. Hopefully you guys are having an amazing day or night, week or weekend, whenever y'all are watching this video right here. Y'all look, this is about to be a whole different type of video, and it's not something that you're accustomed to seeing on this channel. So just rock with me for a minute, okay? So y'all look, it's a regular day here in the household. The kids are in school, the hubby is at work. I'm actually about to get into some work stuff right now as we speak, and I just wanted to start this video off by letting you guys know what you are about to see and why you're gonna see it, okay? So recently I just shared something really hard to share with you guys. I shared it on my vlog channel, so I'm gonna make sure to leave this video, the original video that I put up, down below for you guys to go and check it out. But I recently shared with my fam bam, right? Many of you guys that are subscribed here as well, that I have been going through a bout of depression, right? And it's been a journey, and it's been a journey that I've been on for the last few months, and it's been a tough one. You know, it's something that I've been battling and didn't really realize I was battling it until I had a breaking point, until I literally just had an emotional breakdown. Thankfully, I had the support of family, I had the support of Juice, I had, you know, I took time to make it a point to prioritize my mental health and start to really dissect what it is that's going on with me that's having me go through what I'm going through. But I wanted to share it with you guys, and it's not something that, this is the type of thing, I mean, I haven't shared something like this with you guys at all. It's been kind of a silent battle, but something that I just wasn't, I wasn't accustomed to, you know? So it was really hard to figure out what was happening, what was going on. Well, why was I feeling this way? Why was I crying all the time? Why am I an emotional mess? And all the stuff and things. It impacts everything else going on in your life too. You know what I mean? When you have a moment to take a look at the video down below, okay? And go and check it out. I really go into depth into what I've been dealing with, because if you too, or you know of someone that is dealing with mental health issues, any of those types of things, what I hope comes from me sharing my journey of just going through and growing through this bout of depression, that I can help the next person to seek professional help, or to just get help in general, or to work through and grow through their mental health as well, right? Stay tuned, because the next video that I'm going to be putting out will be what I am doing to work on myself through this journey, along with the hubby, along with the kids, along with my friends, along with my family, and I hope that it helps the next person that might be dealing with the same thing to want to work on those things for themselves as well. So I promise you guys I have more videos coming. I just wanted to really share with you guys where I'm at mentally, and share with you guys why I haven't been here in a while. So I hope that it explains why you guys haven't seen me in a little bit. Yeah, you guys, it's been a journey, and I'm looking forward to sharing this with you guys. So far, you guys have left so much incredible feedback. So many of you guys have shared stories of what you've dealt with and what you did to grow through your own mental health journey. Many of you guys expressed the fact that you're going through the exact same thing, or worse. I've seen and read and responded to, and I'm still responding to so many of your guys' messages, just sharing what you've been dealing with personally and the things that you have been dealing with. I've had individuals hit me up and say that, you know, you watched my video and was having a hard time articulating to your partner, husband, what you were going through, and you showed them my video to share what you were going through, and I'm happy I was able to help with that type of communication. Like, I want this to help somebody or somebody's, right? So yeah, rock with me as I get back to me again, right? And no, this channel is not going to be all devoted to that, okay? So don't think for a minute that that's going to be the case. But just as I share the things that I love, the fashion, the beauty, you know, all the things that I've shared on this channel, the celebrity gossip and all the things, the talking shit, all of that stuff, that's gonna still be here, okay? But I also wanted to keep it a buck with y'all and let you guys know the real shit that I'm dealing with, right? Because it's real shit, you know? And this is the type of stuff that can really take somebody to a really bad place, and it can lead them to do really bad things. You know what I'm trying to get at? And I don't want something to happen to anyone if I can help in any way, I will, right? And so I hope this journey that I'm on as I grow through my mental health journey helps the next person, helps the next persons with their personal journey, okay? So yeah, there's more videos to come here, I promise. I'm in a much better headspace, which is why I'm able to share this with you guys without bawling my eyes out. I'm in a much better headspace now. I have literally been working through this, growing through this for the last few months, which is why you haven't seen me, like I said. But yeah, there's more to come. I'm excited because there's a lot of new things that I'm gonna be taking on as part of this journey that you guys are gonna love, and I cannot wait for you to see them, so stay tuned. In the meantime, I want to give you guys an update on where I was at, what's been going on, why I've been MIA, and yeah. So anyway, can't wait to see your feedback, and I can't wait to share this journey with you guys, amongst all the other things that we share on this channel, all right? I love y'all, and I will see y'all in my next video. Love y'all.